How a parrot helped police to capture a murderer. The story begins in such a way that a husband and wife are living in a house alone. Husband is working outside in a office of a newspaper as a journalist, and his wife stays home alone. One day, when journalist comes back to home, he finds her wife dead. Someone has murdered her. He is astonished. What happened? Who killed my wife? The murderer was so clever that he wiped out all the proofs from there. He informed the police. Police started investigation. But police was also astonished that there is no proof to find that culprit. So police was also unable to find the murderer. The journalist was very unhappy. He resigned from his job and started living at home. At home, people used to come for condolences, and his brother son, his niece, also used to come to him. But he has noticed a strange thing that whenever my niece comes in my home, the parrot present there in home starts making noise in fierce mood. The parrot movement or actions are changed. The parrot is in anger. He noticed this several times. Whenever other people come, parrot remains silent. But when his niece comes, parrot starts making noise. His action and movements are indifferent, in furious mood. Then he became suspicious. He informed the police about this situation. Police arrested his niece, and in front of parrot, police asked some names. The parrot remains silent. But when the name of his niece comes, parrot starts making different actions in furious mood, making the noise in anger. So police started further investigation from that niece. In the initial stage, he did not accept that he murdered his auntie. But when police forced him, he accepted that I killed my auntie due to ornaments and wealth, and I wiped out all the proofs from there. But this is my mistake that I forgot killing this parrot. This parrot is alive, and I'm captured due to this parrot. If I would have killed this parrot, I may be free. So, due to this parrot, I'm behind the bar. So, from this story, you can note that if you kill someone without any kind of guilt, that person is not guilty, but you kill any innocent person, you will be captured. Nature will capture you. No matter how clever you are, you will be captured. What lesson you got from this story? Give your feedback below in the comment box. And before leaving, Do subscribe. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.